بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي إنا لله وإنا إليه راجعون إنا لله وإنا إليه راجعون رضا بقضائه وتسليما لأمره I don't know how to decide. How would we decide at this time? The time when Abu Abdullah al-Hussein, from morning till noon time, he is going in the battlefield and bringing the bodies of Ashab and family. He is exhausted, extremely tired physically and spiritually. Till morning, from morning till noon. Once he goes in the battlefield, he brings the body of Muslim ibn Usja. He brings the body of Muslim ibn Usja, Habib ibn Muzahir. He brings the body of Hud. And when Ashab, all of them, they are back. Their bodies are back. Abu Abdullah is going and bringing the body of his son Ali and al-Akbar. How you would imagine a father of 57 years, he is dragging the body of 18 years old son. Ajrukum Allah. Please don't shy today. Today is the day of Ashura. Don't occupy your tears in your eyes. Don't occupy your sighs in your heart. Let them free. These are the means of salvation on the day of judgment. Ajrukum Allah. Don't shy. Abu Abdullah is standing all alone. He is saying, Alaykunna bis salam. Oh Zainab. Oh Kulsum. Oh Farwa. Accept Allah's salam. Zainab is rushing towards the battlefield. She is going to the tent of Abu Abdullah. Oh my brother, why you are bidding farewell with us? He is saying, I don't find anyone. All of my companions are gone. All of my family members are gone. I have to bid farewell with my son, Sayyid Sajjad. He goes with Sayyid Zainab in his tent. Ajrukum Allah, brothers and sisters, Hazadara and Imam Hussein. May Allah not give you any grief except the grief of Abu Abdullah al-Hussein. He goes into the tent of Sayyid Sajjad. He finds his son unconscious, sleeping on the bed. He is saying, it was the decision of Allah to protect. There was a wisdom. There was a wisdom to protect Muhammad. He was unconscious. Zainab is saying, oh Sayyid Sajjad, open your eyes. Your father is standing in front of you. Again she asks, once Sayyid Sajjad open his eyes, see all the body of Abu Abdullah al-Hussein is bloody. There is a lot of blood on his face, on his body. Yes, Aina Muslim ibn Usja. Oh my dad, where is your companion? Aina Habib ibn Muzahir. Oh my dad, where is your companion, Habib ibn Muzahir? Imam is replying, oh my son, Qad Qutil. Aina Hud. Qad Qutil. All of them, they are passed away. At that moment, he is saying, Aina Ammi al-Abbas. Where is my uncle Abbas? Oh my father, where is your brave line Abbas? Imam is saying, oh my son Qad Qutil. Today Abbas is also martyred. At that moment, Sayyid Sajjad is asking this question. Aina my brother Ali and al-Akbar. Imam wanted to reply, But he is thinking, if I would answer him, he is martyred. Maybe he would ask me, where is my brother al-Asr? I can't answer this question. Once Abu Abdullah al-Hussein is saying, oh my son, learn, there is no man in the dead except you and myself. At that moment, the Sikh Imam, Sayyid Sajjad, she is saying, oh my Aunt Zainab, bring me a stick and sword. She is asking, oh my son, what you will do with the sword and the stick? He is saying, oh my Aunt Zainab, if there is no one among Muslimin to help my father, I Sikh Imam, I will go in the battlefield. Ajrukum Allah, Ajrukum Allah. May Allah not give you any grief except grief of Abu Abdullah. Today is the day of crying. Today is the day of weeping. Try to have maximum tears shedding from your eyes. Brothers and sisters, after bidding farewell with his son, Abu Abdullah al-Hussein is bidding farewell with the family. He is going into the tent, saying goodbye to everybody. Once Abu Abdullah al-Hussein, now he is going towards the battlefield. Once he comes out of tent, tradition says, Nazara ila al-yameen wa shimalan, he sees on his right hand side, he sees on his left hand side, he doesn't find anyone. He calls out, Aina Aina Habib ibn Muzahir, where are you, my companion? Aina Aina Akhi al-Abbas, where are you, my brother Abbas? When you wanted to go to the battlefield, I was the one who helped you to ride your horse, but no one is here. The same moment Sayyida Zainab, she listened to the voice of her brother. She is saying, Ya Akhal Hussein, oh my brother Hussein, Zainab is alive. She is bringing your horse. Zainab has brought the Sultan of Abu Abdullah al-Hussein. She is helping him to ride on his horse. Once Abu Abdullah al-Hussein is on his horse, he is having rein of his horse in his hand. He wanted to proceed towards the battlefield. At that moment, Zainab is saying, oh my brother Hussein, please stop for a while. Hussein is asking, oh my sister, why you are stopping me? Zainab is saying, please come down from the horse, open your collar, I want to kiss on your neck. I remember well of my mother Zahra. She said, oh my daughter, on the day of Ashura, when your brother Hussein will go towards the battlefield, kiss his neck on my behalf. Some tradition says, at that moment Hussein is saying, oh Zainab, you have fulfilled my mother's will. Now please bring me your hand. I want to kiss these hands. I know after tonight, enemy will cuff your hands. Ajrukum Allah. One more time, Hussein proceeds to the battlefield. After few steps, he sees his horse is not moving forward. Hussein is a little bit worried. Oh my animal, oh Sultana, I can understand. You are tired, but there is only one zahmat for you. Take me to the battlefield and everything will be finished. At that moment, this loyal animal, maybe horse wanted to, pointing out towards his feet, towards his hooves. Hussein looks down, sees his daughter, Sakina. She is with the horse leg. Oh my mama, don't leave me alone. Ajrukum Allah, brothers and sisters. May Allah not grieve you, except the grief of Abu Abdullah. Remember that hadith, when our Imam is having majlis. You are fortunate. You are having majlis. You are having majlis sitting very comfortably. When our Imam is having his majlis and his companions, they are crying. When Zakir, he is reciting the Wasaib of Karbala, our sixth Imam is saying, oh my companion, why you are not weeping? Why you are not crying? He says, oh Maula, see my sleeves, see my napkin. There are drops of tear in this blood, in the sleeve. Imam is saying, oh Babasi, you didn't make the justice to the Abbas. You didn't make justice to Hussein. If you want to cry, if you want to weep, weep like my mother cries in Baqi. Ajrukum Allah, Ajrukum Allah. Once Sakina stops about Abdullah al-Hussein, she says, oh my father, whosoever went in the battlefield did not return back alive. Please don't leave me alone. Hussein is saying, no, it's the order of Allah. And then she is saying, and then what she is saying, can you fulfill one of my wish? Abdullah al-Hussein is saying, oh Sakina, tell me your wish, what you want to say. Sakina is saying, is there any possible way you send me back to Medina? I will go to my grandfather Rasulullah. I will complain for our ummah. Imam would say, in his heart I believe, oh Sakina, you will be buried in Zindanishan. No one will take you to Medina. Ajrukum Allah. After that, Sakina is saying, oh my father, if you have decided you have to go, I have another wish. Please fulfill my wish. Hussein is saying, what is your second wish? She is saying, oh my father, please come down from your horse. Please disembark from your horse. Hussein comes down from his ride. Now she is saying, oh my father, please lie down on the hot sands of Karbala. Hussein lays down. At that moment she comes and sleeps on the chest of Hussein. Oh my father, after tonight I won't have this chest. He is saying very beautifully in this point, नींद आएगी जब आपकी बू पाऊंगी बाबा, नींद आएगी जब आपकी बू पाऊंगी बाबा, मैं रात को मक्तल में चली आऊंगी बाबा. फरमाया रात को निकलती नहीं सैयदानिया बाहर. फरमाया रात को सैयदानिया नहीं निकलती बाहर. छाती पे सुलाएगी तुम्हें मादर, छाती पे सुलाएगी तुम्हें रात को मादर. इसने कहा फिर आज कहाँ सोएंगे असगर? If I'm sleeping on the chest of my mother, where my brother Asghar will sleep? Imam is saying, Shahe बोले कि बस सिद्ध न करो सदके में तुम पर. शब होएगी और दश्त में हम होएंगे बीबी. Tonight I will be all alone in this desert of Karbala. Asghar मेरे साथ वहाँ सोएंगे बीबी. Ajrukum Allah, brothers and sisters. Hussein is bidding farewell with his daughter. Once he right on the gate to the Lord. Zainab is standing on Talla Zainabiyah. She is looking towards his brother. There is Hussein is going towards the battlefield. Hussein is asking the enemy, come, I want to take revenge. You are the person who killed my son Ali al-Akbar. You are someone who got the heads of my brother Abbas. Hussein is fighting. He is killing a lot of enemies. The same moment, a voice calls out from the heavens, Ya ayyatuhan nafsul mutmainnah, irji'i ila rabbiki radiyatan marziyah. Oh satisfied soul, come back to me. Hussein takes his sword into the cover, says, Rizan bi Qazai. Oh Allah, I am submissive servant of you. At that moment, when enemy saw Hurmalai Mal'ud, takes 3-pronged arrow. Once he shot the arrow, this arrow goes straight into the heart of Abu Abdullah. Abu Abdullah Hussein, a gush of blood is coming outside. Another enemy shots an arrow. That arrow shots in the forehead. Abu Abdullah Hussein, all around there is blood. All around there is blood. At that moment, it was very difficult for our Imam to sit on the saddle of horse. He is having rain of horses in his head. At that moment, someone struck the sword. Abu Abdullah Hussein is coming down from the saddle of horse. There are narrations when your or our Imam, this Mazloom Imam, is disembarking from the back, from the saddle of horse. His body is not on the sky, neither on the earth. His body is on arrows. Azrukum Allah, land of Karbala, is holding body of Abu Abdullah on arrows. Azrukum Allah, all enemies still they are afraid. No one has courage. No one has courage to go and slaughter Abu Abdullah Hussein. No one has courage. They are throwing their stones. They are firing their spears, their swords, their arrows. At that time, Shimmer, he knows that there is only one way. If Hussein is alive, if Hussein is in consciousness, he will definitely stand from his place. He calls out, "Oh, my companions, go and arrest Zainab. Go and burn fire the tents." And when they see they are threatening the household of Hussein, and there is no more in the body of Hussein, they realize his soul is departed. Brothers and sisters, at that time, Ashkulashkiya, the most tired person, Mal'oon Shimmer, he proceeds. He is having blood dagger in his hand. Zainab is watching this scene. Zainab is watching. He sits on the chest of Abu Abdullah. Suddenly there is earthquake in the land of Karbala. There is rain of blood. There are waves. He is slaughtering Abu Abdullah. Everybody had heard this noise. Everybody has heard this voice from heavens. قد قتل الحسين بكربلاء. قد ذبح الحسين بكربلاء. At that moment, his loyal animal is there. Horse is doing the Hussein is not letting anyone to come near his body. At that moment, some tradition says this horse has killed many enemies with his hooves. But when he realized that no one is to take the body of Abu Abdullah, he has seen, he was with Imam since morning. He realizes now it's his obligation to inform, to go to the tent and let them know that Hussein is being killed. This Sultanah comes, rubs Sultanah's forehead with blood of Abu Abdullah. Fumu proceeds towards the tent. Once Sakina says that Sultanah is all alone. Her father is not there. She asks, "Oh Sultanah, did they quench thirst of my father? Or they kill him thirsty?" Ala la'natullahi ala al-qawmi al-zalimin. وسيعلم الذين ظلموا أي منقلب